Raising a family is rewarding but expensive. Today's episode of NestologyTV considers steps to support your family financially through a program of smart investing. Building a career and raising a family requires management skills. Juggling your time, priorities, and money while you're planning for the future can be daunting. Saving now to send your kids to college later, take care of your parents as they age, and pursuing a comfortable retirement can be challenging. Savings alone may not be enough. Saving part of your monthly income is the first step towards building wealth, but current interest and inflation rates, saving may not be able to do the job on its own. After putting aside enough cash for an emergency fund, you may want to consider investing in a diversified set of investments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. A certified financial planner at WealthNest can show you how to match your investment portfolio to your tolerance for risk, your age, your goals, and your income to help you build your wealth. Start with building your retirement nest egg. Most often, parents put their children's future first by building a college fund. And while this is certainly important, preparing for retirement should take precedence. Your children have options that you don't. Your kids can use a combination of savings, loans, scholarships, all to attend college, while you must live on Social Security and the wealth you've accumulated. Besides, who knows if you'll even like your kids later? The last thing you want is to depend on your children's financial support when they begin working and you stop. At WealthNest Planners, we specialize in tax management. We use the tax code to help build our clients' wealth. Now, if you're covered by a qualified employer retirement plan, not only should you consider making the largest contributions that you can afford, you should make sure the money is also invested in assets with the potential to provide long-term growth. If you're self-employed or not covered at work, then consider an individual retirement arrangement or IRA or a self-directed 401k. Take advantage of a complimentary financial physical with one of our certified financial planners to take advantage of many other tax breaks. Things such as 529 education plans are not deductible from your taxes. However, growth is tax deferred, and if it's used for qualified education purposes, withdrawals are tax-free. Your employer may also offer other tax advantage benefits like cafeteria plans. As your wealth grows, consider if it's appropriate to allocate money into investment vehicles such as tax-free muni bonds, which we love here, Treasury inflation protected securities, whole life insurance, real estate, investment trust, and qualified annuities, to name a few more. The bottom line is that WealthNest Planners, we have a wide variety of tax advantage investment solutions available for you. If you're interested in learning more on how you can save for college or retirement or maximize your employer benefits in a tax-efficient manner, feel free to contact us to schedule a complimentary financial physical. Until next time, have a great day.